Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. Very nice song here from X Ambassadors called No Strings. So I love these kind of songs where you can mix it up with some picking patterns, melodies or so, with some strumming. You can choose and go back and forth. We have this 4-chord song. It goes in the same way through the entire song. So we're going to look at this with the capo set here on the 2nd fret. That's the easiest scenario for us to have easy chords combined with some melodies that is playable. So capo on 2nd, and let's go over the 4 chords. So we're gonna start with E minor first. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and for this specific song we're gonna use the 3rd E. The next chord is C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. A minor, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the final chord, the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B this time. Usually we have 3rd on B. This is open and 3rd E. Alright, so we're gonna look at the picking pattern first. And perhaps it's too much to work with if you're gonna choose to play this through the entire song, because you have to work a lot here. But you can combine with this and then throw in the strumming and go back and forth. So this is the E minor pattern. It goes like this, slowly. So that is open E, 3rd E, top note, then open E again, then open E, top note, then open E in the bass, and 3rd E, top note. That's 1 round. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, so. Obviously, you don't have to hold the E minor full chord as it is. It's just enough to actually start with the open and. But when you do these pickings, these are the lead notes, but you can always have the supported notes when you perhaps play the open E. It's okay to just roll down the thumb here to go even on the 2nd A. If you do that, then it's good to have the chord as a background there. So. Supportive notes is always good, so therefore I suggest you hold the chord as it is, and if you slip or do anything more than just the actual note you want to pick, you have a supportive sound that builds up and actually gives more depth to it, so it's even better. So you can really go down on the bass there. Even if the open E is the main note, you can go also to the 2nd A and 2nd D, like that. And when you pick on the 3rd E down there, you can also have supported notes as the open B, for instance. Okay, so you understand what I'm talking about here. Have the chords as a backup there if you wish. Otherwise, that's the notes, that's the E minor. Let's move on to the C. It goes like this. All right, so suggest again you hold the chord as it is. You're gonna play 3rd on A, 1st B, 3rd A, open G, 3rd A, and 1st B. So slowly. And again, when you do the down, or like you push the bass notes and the melody notes, you have the supportive notes around there. So hold the chord as it is, and you can roll down on the 3rd A, but even the 2nd D doesn't hurt. Oh, sorry for the bad sound there, but like that. All right, so 2 rounds of that as well. Let's move on to the A minor. So you're gonna play this part for 3 rounds now. So that is open A, 1st B, open A, 2nd G, open A, and 1st B. Slowly. For 3 rounds. And then you have the final chord, the G. It goes like this. For only this one round. So that is third on E, open B, third on E, open G, third E, and open B. And that's it. And since we're playing the open Bs here in the last G chord, that's the reason for why we're just gonna play with the open B later on with the strumming as well. But first, I'm gonna take you through one round of this melody. It goes like this, a little bit slower than standard tempo, so you really hear what's going on here. So. I gave it one extra round there because I need to warm up probably, and yeah, obviously. Anyway, that is what's going on. A little bit faster, it goes like this. So there we have the melody. Now let's take a look at the strumming, and we have this very common strumming pattern. If you grab the E minor again, now you hold the chord as it is, and one strumming round will be down, down, up, down, up. So the first down, I suggest you play on the bass, and then the next down, you go down, mid, top notes, and then you're gonna play up, down, up again on the mid and top notes. So one round goes down, down, up, down, up. That's the rhythm. So you're gonna follow the same amount of times you play the melody. It's the same amount of times you're gonna do the strumming pattern. So that means E minor 2, C2, A minor 3, and G1, like this. Alright guys, so you see you can mix it up with X ambassadors, no strings, actually 6 strings, that's what you need. But anyway, great song, give it a like here if you enjoyed this tutorial, and I really do, I hope you did. So, till next time, play tuned.